welcome to my channel. Today I have a Christmas challenge for you. I want to see if you can subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications and give this video a thumbs up in 7 seconds. Are you ready? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and done! Well done! Now I have here a special Christmas present, and this cute box is Birchbox. The cost is £10 for a month with postage of £2.95, but if you wish to get a little discount, you can check the link below in the description. You don't have to use it, only if you want to get a little bit off, but it's okay if you don't use that link. I fell in love with the design of this box the second I saw it. As far as I know, this was a collaboration with British fashion designer Matthew Williamson. Isn't this lush? December is all about treating yourself, and I'm gonna do just that. There is a little leaflet which explains what exactly you have in the box and pretty much how to use it. And here is the box. Now, since this is my first ever Birchbox, I also had an extra present. So if you are subscribing for the first time, each month they have different presents. So this December 2017 they had this eyeshadow duo by Look, which is actually their own brand, so I will be expecting a lot of their products in the future boxes, just because they will be probably pushing their own brand. The name actually is Love of Color, which is brilliant, and this eyeshadow stick, one of them, costs £8, so I got 2 of them. The 2 shades complement each other perfectly, and I will be happy to wear them. It's very easy to use. I just love it. I'm gonna try and blend them and see how this goes. Yeah, they do well. They are Birchbox exclusive, so you might be able to buy them in their shop, but I'm not 100% on that. Moving on with this, the Ritual of Ayurveda Foaming Shower Gel, which it says it's full size, but actually they do sell bigger sizes, so I'm not really sure. It feels like a sample, but yeah. So the price of this is £4.50. I've seen this before and it explodes, so I won't be really showing you how I test it out. And look at that, a full-size Spectrum Collections brush, which is an angled blender brush. It's just so pretty. It's also Birchbox exclusive, and the cost is $5.99, although the card says $4.99, but I checked, so it's $5.99. It's very soft. I found out that angled brushes are very easy to use and a big help when you're a novice in makeup. Definitely am recommending this brush to anybody, really. It doesn't matter if you're a novice or an artist. I'm excited when I get tools because you will be using them for a long time. You can find the product list in the description below. Now let's see what we have next. Oh, okay. I don't like this. It's squished a little bit. It's Cabello. Yeah, can you see there is product gushing out of it, and I don't like that. I'm disappointed because of that. You probably don't get it on the camera. There, right there. Yeah, no, not happy about that at all. Probably it's a good product, maybe. I don't use clarifying shampoos. This is such. You use it once or twice a month to remove product buildup and purify your scalp, which is great, but yeah, I just don't like the way they handle this one. And let's just forget that and move on. And what I've got is Pixie by Petra. I think everybody on YouTube now knows this brand. It's very popular. So what I have is Shea Butter Lip Balm. It actually has a tint. It's not just a lip balm to moisturize, but it kind of gives you a finished look when you're on the go and you don't really have anything on you. This is perfect for winter. So here is the color. Yep, it will match pretty much everyone. It doesn't matter what kind of skin you have, if it's fairer or darker shade, I think it will just sit good on you. Yeah, I'm trying to blend it out and see how hard it is. I'm playing with the light, just ignore that. This is a full-size product and it retails for £8. And here we have the last item in the box, which is Protect and Detangle. One product does everything: conditioning, detangling, protecting color, defreezing, and adding shine in one simple step. That's a lot. So I'm quite happy with my box. I have 2 extra presents by Birchbox, which is always welcomed. The box total comes to around £26, but when you add up the extra 2 eyeshadows, it goes to £42, which is amazing. There is a sneak peek for January, and here it is. It is actually a Lord & Berry blush, so I have to pick a color. If you liked what you saw, subscribe to my channel so you can see what's next in the beauty subscription boxes. And if you want to get your own box, you can go on the site. The link is just in the description below. You don't have to use my referral code if you don't want to, but you'll get a few pounds off. In the meantime, you just go out and get the world.